Hi kids, today I'm gonna do the toy review on this new set. I just bought it. This is the Super Style Minnie Mouse. Snap and pose. It's really cute. This is the toy from Fisher Price. It's recommended for the baby or, well, this toy is good. It's a nice toy for baby girl and toddler girls, for the kids from 2 years old and up. In the back of the box, there's come with a picture of each outfit. They have a pretty pink with the pink dress, pink shoe, and the pink purse. The rain shine. You can match the purple umbrella with the yellow dress. Vibrant violet with the purple dress, purple glasses, and purple hat. Dazzling audit with the apron and the paintbrush and the paint accessory. The blushing blue with the blue dress, blue purse, and blue shoe. So after you match up, you snap the dress into the Minnie Mouse, then you will have the new outfit on Minnie Mouse. So let's open it. So in this set, it comes with a Minnie Mouse, come with the umbrella, a purple umbrella, a very nice dress in yellow and pink, a pink shoe, This is the box. It's cotton, but because the design is so nice, so I'm gonna keep it. Just pretend this is a Minnie Mouse dollhouse. Okay, so in the set again, it comes with the Minnie Mouse wearing a purple dress and with the pink bows and the purple shoe. This toy, we actually can change the clothes. We just pop the clothes into the Minnie Mouse. And so the Minnie Mouse wearing clothes like this. You can take out the bows, you can take out the shirt, the dress, and the shoe to change to different outfits. So in the box, it comes with the pink dress, a very cute yellow dress and pink colors, a pink purse. What is it? I think this is the I have no idea. Maybe the mirror. I'll figure out later. This is the purple purse. Another thing I don't know, but we will figure it out. A very large size purse in green. a very nice dress, blue and pink. This is the purple dress, shoe and the purple dress. This is the very cute green turquoise dress. This is the hat. Yeah, this is the yellow and pink hat. And another apron, white apron. It looks like dress too, to me. And this is a very cute shoe in pink. This is the very nice and stylish glasses in purple. A purple umbrella. And a purple hat. And another turquoise shoe. Yeah, so these are outfits that come in the box. You can mix and match the clothes, or you can pick with the same color. So I'm gonna pick the pink dress and snap on Minnie Mouse. This is the pink purse that Minnie Mouse can hold on. I'm gonna pick this pink shoe because I want to match the color. So Minnie Mouse gonna have a pink outfit today. I'm gonna use this pink bow to put on her head. So done is today's outfit for Minnie Mouse. So just pretend Minnie Mouse go to her house. So this is the first look, Minnie Mouse outfit. Okay, next I'm gonna change to different outfits. So this toy is very easy. You can just take it out and snap the clothes that you pick. So this dress is pink and yellow. You just snap it on. I'm gonna remove the bows and I'm gonna put the yellow hat on Minnie Mouse because she's wearing a pink and yellow dress. With shoe, I'm gonna still pick the pink shoe and still with the pink purse. So this is the second look. Okay, so now we're gonna change to different outfit. It comes with many outfits, so you will have time just play around with the outfits. So next, I'm gonna change to turquoise dress. Turquoise dress with turquoise shoe. It's very easy to play. The girls gonna like it because she can play around with all these outfits. And for the hat, I'm gonna put the bow on. So ta-da! This is the third outfit that I dressed for Minnie Mouse. Okay, now we're gonna change to different one. So for the four outfits, I'm gonna pick the purple colors, the purple dress with the purple shoe. And this time we have the purple hat. Wow, it's really nice. I like this style because it comes with the stylish glasses too. Wow, it's very cool, right? And also with the purple outfit, in the box they have a purple umbrella. This is so cute, so adorable. This is number 4 outfit for today. Is purple. So it's complete outfit with a purple dress, purple shoe, purple glasses, purple hat, purple umbrella, and the pink purse. I know a little bit off the color, but I want Minnie Mouse holding the purse. That's why I put pink. I matched it pink with purple. Okay, let's change to the different outfit. Okay, so far I already dressed for Minnie Mouse 4 outfits. So the next outfit I'm gonna dress for her is this one. So just pretend she is a painter. The painter, she have an apron on with all the brush on her aprons, and she gonna hold this one. Pretend she gonna do the painting today. I'm gonna change the shoe to different color. The turquoise shoe. Okay, so this is the 5th outfit for Minnie Mouse. So just pretend she is the painter. Okay, gonna change to the different one. Next one. I did the purple, I did the pink, I did the turquoise dress, and the painter dress. Next, I'm gonna do this one. So this looks like a Cinderella dress with pink and blue color. This one, either I can go with the turquoise shoe or the pink, but I think I like the pink shoes more. It look match up with the dress more than the turquoise one. The pink purse and the pink bows. Minnie Mouse love bows, so I always dress the Minnie Mouse with a bow. So this is another complete outfit. So these are all outfits and all accessories for Minnie Mouse. So I think this toy toddler girls may like it. I love this hat, it's so cute, so adorable. Okay, so once again, welcome to Minnie Mouse house. And this is all her dress collections. All these very pretty accessory. It come with purses, hat, glasses, bows, umbrella, shoe, kids. In this box, these are the dresses and accessory it go with the box, but I also bought the individual Minnie Mouse. This Minnie Mouse also is snap post Minnie Mouse, so I can switch on the all matches the dress from this set to her, to this Minnie Mouse. So see, so I have 2 Minnie Mouse. So in the box it's only have 1 Minnie Mouse, but at home before I bought another Minnie Mouse, and this one luckily it have a style the same with this one, the snap pose. So I'm gonna use this dress to dress her. So here is another Minnie Mouse. So 2 Minnie Mouse. Okay, thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you, bye bye.